Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Tech Talks. My name is Yogesh Rathi and today I am thrilled to walk you through my personal portfolio. This is not just a website, it's a living, breathing representation of who I am as a software engineer, a lifelong learner, and a passionate advocate for technology. I believe that code is more than just instruction for computers. It's tool for creating impactful solution, and my portfolio is where that story unfolds. So without further ado, let's dive in. Right from the start, I wanted my portfolio to feel personal yet professional. The moment you land on the page, you are greeted by a simple and direct message. I am Yogesh Rathi. I have designed this site to be a space where I can share my journey as a developer, my experience, my skills, and the projects that have defined my career thus far. But this site is more than just a collection of work, it's a reflection of my passion for technology, innovations, and continuous improvements. And this quits is more than just words, it encapsulates my approach to life and work. I truly believe that with enough dedication and perseverance, even the most ambiguous ideas can become reality. This portfolio is a testament to that belief, showcasing how my passion for software engineering has driven me to continuously improve and push boundaries. Now, let's dive deeper into some of the key areas of these portfolios. First and foremost, I have included links to several important platforms that have played a major role in my growth as a developer. This includes my personal portfolio, my portfolio, my GitHub repositories, my lead code achievements, and my YouTube channel, also in my LinkedIn. Each of these represents a unique fact of my work and the skills I have developed along the way. In my personal portfolio, or that you, if you click that, it's open in a new tab. In my personal portfolio, I will find a comprehensive overview of the work I have done across multiple domains, from front end development, where I focused on creating intuitive and responsive user interface, to backend development, where I design and maintain robust server side systems. I have poured my heart into each project. Every line of code I write is a step toward solving real world problems in creative ways. For each, uh, first we go to the click on home button. That home button, if refresh that the page, and in this portfolio, in the vibrant tech hub of Gurgaon, India, I navigate the intricate world of software engineering with finance. Every line of code has tells a story of dedication, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. And after that, welcome to my portfolio. If we click here for view my resume. That resume is open in a new tab, and you also see that my resume, and also download as a PDF file. Okay, and after that is my skills. I have a strong work and fast learner. My skills is software development, data science, and cloud computing. There is many programming language and machine learning about that, and I love what I do. Okay, and if you click here visit my GitHub, then uh, it's open in a new tab. You also visit my GitHub, and the main parts is a project. For each project I have included detailed description and the specific tech technologies I have utilized. If I click this project, it's open, and inside that you see that electoral bond application is the name of the project and technology used. If you click here, it's go for a live demo, GitHub project link, readme file. Okay, it's for all projects like that. If you click here, that these things. If you go to certifications, is a certification is added in that section. All the certificates are added here, and other achievement is like I achieved LPU student top performer awards, and I am a top performer international model United Nations top performer. Okay, and there is the some other achievements like that, and that is our project. And these projects are more than just coding exercises. They represent my ability to transfer ideas into functional scalable solution. I aim to ensure that every project is not only technical sound but also aligned with best practice in user interface, performance optimization, and security. Now, let's take a closer look at my cryo portfolio. This is where the theoretical meets the practical, where I have had the opportunity to work on projects that closely mirror real world scenarios faced by software engineers in the industry. That's 13 verified skills, 6 professional projects, and 175 plus DSA problem solved. And my skill is that Git, Linux, Java, JUnit, Jection, HTTP, REST, Mockito, Gradle, Lombok, Spring Boot, MongoDB, Spring Data. And that is my project whose build in cryo course, like that is xmami qits. If you want to see the details, then go that these things. Okay, and cryo has been a fantastic platform for hands-on learning, offering me the chance to tackle challenges that go behind simple coding. Through cryo, I am gained invaluable experience in areas like system design, scalability, and performance optimization. I have worked on projects that required me to think critical about not only the code but the overall architecture and how it performs under real world condition. These are skills that go beyond coding. They are about problem solving, collaboration, and delivering effective solution in real world environment. And one of my favorite project from cryo involved developing a scale-up backend system for a social media platform, or we say that is like that a music system. Here you see that the running contains problem statement for scratch, and that is movie booking problem implementation by the cryo.to. This project pushed me to understand load balancing, caching strategy, and database optimization, all essential skills for any software engineer who wants to build system that can handle volumes for traffic and data efficiently. Now we are moving on to GitHub. This is when my open source contributions and collaborative projects live. As a firm believer in the power of community, I regularly contribute to open source project and collaborate with other developers on GitHub. It's not just about showcasing what I have done, but also about giving back to the community and helping others. Here you will find repositories ranging from front-end and back-end projects to utilize and tool that can help other developer streamline their work. I have always believed that software development is at its best when it's collaborative. When developers share their knowledge, build on each other's ideas, and create solutions that are greater than the sum of their parts. And of course, as a software engineer, it is critical to keep my problem solving skills sharp, which is why I regularly challenge myself on lit code. My profile has reflected my ongoing commitment to mastering data structure and algorithm skills that are vital not just for interviews but for the solving the complex problems that arise in real world development. Lead Code offers a unique opportunity to tackle a wide variety of algorithmic problems which require creative and efficient solutions. It keeps me in top shape as a problem solver, ensuring that I am always ready for the next challenge, whether it's in an interview or in the field. And lastly, I want to share my YouTube channel Tech Talks. As a content creator, I love helping others by breaking down complex technical concepts into digestible pieces or small pieces. Whether you are just starting out in software development or you are a seasoned professional looking to learn something new, my channel has content for everyone. On this channel, I cover everything from the basic of coding to advanced technology, careers, advice for aspiring software engineers, and in-depth decision on emerging technology. My goal with Tech Talks is to foster a community of learners who are passionate about growing their skills and staying ahead of the curve in the fast evolving field. At that brings us to the end of our tour. My portfolio represents the culmination of years of learning, growth, and hard work. It's a snapshot of my journey so far, but it's by no means the end. I am always looking for new opportunity to learn, innovate, and collaborate with others who share my passion for technologies. I invite you to explore further. Check out the links to my projects, connect with me on LinkedIn, or reach out if you like to collaborate. Let's keep pursuing boundaries together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I look forward to connecting with you all. See you in the next one. And before we warp up, I want to leave you with one final touch. If you like to connect with me professionally, you can find me on LinkedIn. Just click on that link below and it will take you directly to my profile. Let's network, share ideas, and maybe even collaborate on future projects. Whether you are interested in my work and want to discuss opportunity or simply want to chat about all things tech, feel free to reach out. I am always excited to connect with the fellow enthusiasts and professionally in the industry. Thanks again for watching. Let's stay connected. Thank you. Thank you so much.